Today I'm going to show you how I weave in my ends when I'm finished my crochet project. So I just did a basic single crochet, 6 rows of single crochet, and I cut my yarn and now I'm fastening off. I'm going to start with this tail end down at the chain. So you're going to want to get that yarn on your needle, and how I like to do that, I like to hold it between my fingers like that, put my needle underneath and pull it, pinch it, and slide it off, and then slide it through my needle. That's just the easiest way I've found to do it. After your yarn is threaded on your needle, I like to take it straight back into the chain. So if you look close, you can see the chains on it, and I like just to slip it behind and between a couple of those chains. I like to keep that first one kind of loose so that it doesn't look weird on the ends, and then I will do that one more time. Then I will start to work my way up the project. So I like to go under the single crochets. I'll do that a couple times until I feel that the tail is secure. I'm going through the single crochet stitches, and you can tell your tail is weaved in properly when you pull on your project and this tail isn't moving. So then you can take your scissors and cut that off. Next is your tail end up here, which is where you fastened off your project. So we're going to do the same thing from before. Thread it on our needle, just like that. Then we are going to go down into this first stitch, so find the 2 V's and go down. And then I like to go through a couple of the single crochets, just like I did on the bottom, except I'm working my way down this time instead of up. And you will know your tail is weaved in properly when you pull it and this tail does not move. And then you can take your scissors and chop it off. And that's how I like to weave in my ends. I have never had a problem before with my ends popping out. So let me know in the comments below how you like to weave in your ends, and I will see you next time.